Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to watch trailers on Prime Video. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to watch trailers on Prime Video. Maybe because you want to watch trailers before the movie so you could get the idea about the movie. Or maybe you want to see the trailers so that you could watch the movie, and if you like the movie you watch it, or maybe you don't watch it. So that's why you want to watch the trailer. Or it could be any other reason for you to watch the trailer of movies on Prime Video. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Prime Video on your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Prime Video to open it. Once the app gets opened, first it will just take a while. So this is the interface of the app that you will see at first. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of videos, or you could say movies, on our screen. Other than that, we have three options at the bottom and few options at the top. So if you want to watch any trailer, first you have to find that movie. So you can find movies from home, or you can search the movies by its name. So let's say this is the movie, and if you want to watch a trailer, first you have to tap on it. And once it get open, you will see this interface. First you will read its name, you will see its poster and different things like this description and things related about this movie. So here you can see we have this option that says trailer. Once you tap on it, the trailer of the movie will play and you will be easily able to watch it. So you just have to simply tap on it and the trailer will load and play. There you can see the trailer of the movie is playing, so you can watch it fully. And if you like the trailer, you may watch the movie, and if you don't like it, you can skip the movie. It's all up to you. So it was this simple to watch a trailer of movie on this app. If you want to watch any other movie, then you have to get back through this option, and then you have to explore for other movies. There are more than hundreds videos or movies available. You can watch trailer of anyone. So let's say I'll tap on it and we'll see its trailer. So again, you can see its poster and different things related to it. Here is the option for trailer. If I tap onto it, the trailer will load, and after that the trailer of the movie will play. So as you can see right now, the trailer is playing. You can watch it, and if you like the movie, you can watch the movie. But if you don't like the trailer, you can skip the movie. And if you have watched it, you may click onto this option and then you will get back. So it was this simple to watch trailer on Prime Videos. This was the easiest way I know through which you can watch trailer of movies on Prime Video. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.